What's up YouTube, it's Richmatic here, and I'm doing a different video today. Most of my videos are kind of gameplay, but since I had to order a new controller, I didn't necessarily have to, but I wanted to anyway, just to see if I could mod a controller and stuff. But I've had these other two old PlayStation 4 controllers, not really old, but these are kind of messed up ones. If you look, you can see that this trigger is kind of stuck. It's a little bit bent. It's kind of messed up a little bit. What actually kind of helps sometimes when you want to aim down sights really quickly on like a first-person shooter. But you know, it's kind of stuck. And as you can see, like the controller, the analog, the rubber is kind of peeled off. But I mean, other than that, it's not like I slam controllers, you know. There's no real like issue, so I plan on fixing this one. But yeah, I mean, this one's pretty good. This one, of course, it's my second one, but this one's peeling back a little bit. And then I think one of these analogs, if you move it up, it'll just keep veering upwards, which kind of sucks, but hey. Other than that, the triggers are good and everything's good with that. I bought this new controller. I don't feel like doing a week unboxing video, but I bought this one and it's like steel gray. I think it's like a Asia or Japan exclusive. Don't quote me on that, but I like the colors. I thought it looked pretty sick. So if you want to compare this one to that one, you know, you can see the little color difference. But I also got these metal thumbsticks. So I'm planning on putting these on the new steel controller. And in case you're wondering where I got them off Amazon. You can check this out. You know, eMods Gaming. You know, they're pretty good quality. I was kind of skeptical at first, but from videos I've seen on YouTube and the product description, these are pretty good weighted. They're not like super cheap metal, but you know, they're pretty good. And you know, the benefit to these not being rubber is they won't peel off. So I'm gonna try and mod these myself without watching a video, and we'll see how it goes. Yep, using a 3.0 screw top. Let's see, I think this will do the trick. Yep, that looked about right. Roll with it. This here, definitely need to move first. Oh, that was it. Maybe that could be the ghetto way of doing it, but hey, I think